Number 10. The Clive Triker 2.0 stands out as a modern electric trike designed to blend comfort, stability, and everyday practicality into a sleek three-wheel package. Built with a sturdy frame and an intuitive design, it offers a smooth and balanced riding experience, making it especially appealing for commuters, seniors, or anyone seeking extra confidence on the road. Its powerful electric motor delivers reliable acceleration while maintaining energy efficiency, and the long-lasting battery ensures extended rides without frequent recharging. The Trike features a comfortable, ergonomically designed seat, easy-to-use controls, and a low step-through frame that makes mounting and dismounting effortless. With its enhanced suspension system and wide tires, the ride remains stable even on uneven surfaces, while integrated storage options add convenience for daily errands. Safety is also a key highlight, with responsive braking systems and bright lighting that improve visibility in different conditions. Number 9. The Trike Folding Electric Trike is a thoughtfully engineered three-wheel ride that blends power, practicality, and everyday comfort into a highly versatile mobility solution. Designed with a robust electric motor that can reach impressive peak output, it delivers smooth acceleration and confident performance across urban streets and light off-road terrain, while the high-capacity removable battery supports extended journeys with a range that can stretch up to around 50 miles on pedal assist. Its foldable step-through frame adds a layer of convenience, making storage and transport far easier than traditional tricycles, while also ensuring easy mounting for riders of all ages and abilities. Stability is a standout feature, enhanced by a differential system and wide fat tires that provide balanced handling and safer cornering, even when carrying cargo. Comfort is equally prioritized, with an ergonomic seat, upright handlebars, and suspension elements that smooth out rough surfaces for a relaxed riding experience. Number 8. The Munkul MC350 is a practical and user-friendly electric trike designed to deliver a smooth, stable, and accessible riding experience for everyday use. Powered by a reliable 350W front-drive motor, it provides steady acceleration and a comfortable top speed suited for city commuting and relaxed cruising, while its removable lithium battery offers a range of up to 30 to 40 miles on a single charge, making it ideal for errands and short adventures. Built with a classic step-through frame, the trike ensures easy mounting and dismounting, especially beneficial for beginners and riders seeking added convenience or mobility support. Its three-wheel design enhances balance and confidence on the road, while the Shimano 7-speed gearing system allows riders to adapt smoothly to different terrains. Comfort is further emphasized through a large cushioned seat, upright riding posture, and front suspension that helps absorb bumps for a more relaxed journey. Number 7. The Huffy Electric Green Machine Drift Trike is built for pure adrenaline and playful performance, transforming the traditional electric trike into a thrilling drift-focused ride that prioritizes excitement over everyday commuting. Powered by a 250W motor paired with a 36-volt battery, it delivers quick acceleration and reaches speeds of up to 15 miles per hour, giving riders a fast and responsive experience that feels more like a ride-on racer than a standard tricycle. Its standout feature is the unique drift system, supported by durable rear wheels designed specifically for smooth sliding, controlled spins, and 180-degree turns, allowing riders to master dynamic maneuvers with confidence. The cockpit-style design places the rider in a low, stable position, enhancing balance while encouraging aggressive drifting, while the adjustable seat ensures a secure and comfortable fit for different rider sizes. Control is intuitive with handlebar steering, a thumb throttle, and a clear digital display that keeps track of speed and battery life in real time. Number 6. The Victrip T1 is a powerful and thoughtfully designed electric trike that combines strength, stability, and everyday practicality into a highly capable three-wheel ride. Built around a robust motor system with up to 1000 W peak output and strong torque delivery, it provides smooth acceleration and confident performance across city roads and light off-road terrain, while the high-capacity 48V20Ah battery supports an impressive range that can extend up to around 80 miles on pedal assist, making it ideal for long, uninterrupted journeys. Its foldable step-through frame enhances accessibility and convenience, allowing riders to mount easily and store or transport the trike without hassle. Stability is a defining feature, reinforced by a differential system that ensures balanced cornering and a three-wheel structure that inspires confidence for riders of all experience levels. Comfort is elevated through a large supportive seat, front suspension system, and wide tires that absorb road vibrations for a smoother ride, while practical additions like front and rear cargo capacity make it perfect for shopping, errands, or carrying gear. Number 5. The Viribus FC2 is a well-balanced electric trike that combines strong performance with everyday convenience, making it an ideal choice for riders who value both power and practicality in a compact design. Equipped with a 750W motor that can peak up to 1200W and deliver impressive torque, It provides smooth acceleration and the ability to handle inclines and heavier loads with ease, while its 48V15Ah battery supports long-distance riding with a range of up to around 62 miles on pedal assist. What truly sets the FC2 apart is its smart folding system, allowing the Trike to collapse into a compact form that fits easily into apartments, car trunks, or tight storage spaces, making it highly practical. For urban lifestyles, stability and safety are enhanced through a differential mechanism that balances power between the rear wheels for smoother turning, along with hydraulic disc brakes that provide reliable stopping in various conditions. Comfort is also a key highlight, with dual rear suspension, an ergonomic seating setup, and a step-through frame that ensures easy access for riders of all ages. Number 4. The Viribus SC5 is a rugged and versatile electric trike that blends all-terrain capability with everyday practicality, making it a strong choice for riders who want both stability and performance in one refined package. Built with a 500W motor that peaks at 750W, it delivers smooth acceleration and enough torque to handle hills and varied terrain with confidence, while its 48V15Ah battery supports a range of up to 65 miles on pedal assist or around 38 miles on throttle alone, ensuring dependable long-distance riding. Designed with 20-inch fat tires, the SC5 offers enhanced traction and shock absorption, allowing it to perform comfortably on city streets, gravel paths, and uneven surfaces, while the front suspension system further smooths out bumps for a more controlled ride. TS step-through frame and wide rear track provide excellent balance and easy accessibility, making it especially appealing for riders who prioritize stability and confidence over speed. Comfort is a major highlight, featuring a large cushioned seat with a supportive backrest and an upright riding position that reduces strain during longer journeys. Number 3. The Mooncool TK1 is a thoughtfully engineered folding electric trike that combines power, stability, and everyday practicality into a refined and highly capable three-wheel ride. Built with a reliable 500W motor that can reach peak outputs of up to around 1,200W, it delivers smooth acceleration and strong torque for tackling inclines and carrying heavier loads with ease, while the 48V14.5Ah removable battery supports an impressive riding range of approximately 35 to 70 miles on a single charge, making it well suited for both daily commuting and extended leisure rides. Its foldable frame design adds a major layer of convenience, allowing riders to store or transport the trike effortlessly, while the step-through structure ensures easy mounting and accessibility for riders of different ages and abilities. Stability is a standout feature, enhanced by a rear differential mechanism that allows the wheels to rotate independently for smoother and safer cornering, complemented by wide tires and a sturdy build that can support up to around 450 pounds. Comfort is equally prioritized with a large cushioned seat, upright riding position, and front suspension system that absorbs road vibrations for a relaxed experience. Number 2. The 630 Easy Transit Electric Trike is a thoughtfully designed folding three-wheel ride that prioritizes comfort, stability, and everyday usability in a compact and refined package. Powered by a 750W front-drive motor, it delivers smooth acceleration and enough strength to handle hills while maintaining a relaxed cruising speed of up to around 16 miles per hour, making it ideal for both commuting and leisurely rides. Its foldable frame is one of its standout features, allowing the trike to collapse into a compact size that can easily fit into a car trunk or small storage space, adding a level of convenience rarely found in traditional tricycles. The low step-through design and upright, ergonomic riding position make it especially accessible and comfortable, reducing strain on the back and knees while giving riders a confident, natural posture. Equipped with a 48V battery offering a range of roughly 25 to 40 miles, along with a Shimano 7-speed system, it adapts well to different riding conditions and distances. Number 1. The Admotor Citytan is a modern folding electric trike that blends strong performance, stability, and everyday convenience into a compact and user-friendly design. Built around a powerful rear-drive motor delivering up to 1100W peak output, it provides smooth acceleration and confident hill climbing ability while maintaining controlled handling for urban and suburban riding. Its 48V13.5Ah battery supports an estimated range of up to around 50 miles per charge, making it suitable for commuting, shopping trips, and relaxed leisure rides without frequent recharging. The Trike's foldable step-through frame is one of its standout features, allowing it to be stored more easily in tight spaces or transported when needed, while also ensuring easy access for riders of different ages and mobility levels. A wide stance with fat tires enhances stability and grip, giving a secure and balanced feel even on uneven roads.